Archaeopteryx, Archaeopteryx is often regarded as a pivotal species in the study of the evolution of birds from dinosaurs. This genus lived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 150 million years ago. Fossils have revealed that Archaeopteryx possessed both avian and reptilian characteristics, including feathers akin to modern birds, a long bony tail, and teeth in its beak-like jaws. The presence of feathers suggests it could glide or perhaps even fly short distances, marking it as a transitional form between non-avian dinosaurs and birds. Archaeopteryx's discovery in Germany has provided critical insights into the evolutionary link between these two groups. Anhangara is a genus of pterosaur from the early Cretaceous period known for its large wingspan that could reach up to 12 meters. This flying reptile possessed long jaws filled with sharp teeth, indicating it was likely piscivorous. Fossil remains have been discovered primarily in Brazil, showcasing not only its impressive size, but also providing insight into its ecological role as a predator in marine environments. The anatomy of Anhangara suggests adaptations for soaring flight over open waters, reflecting its specialized lifestyle within prehistoric ecosystems. Velociraptor is a small but fierce theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 75 to 71 million years ago. Typically measuring about 2 meters in length, this bipedal predator is renowned for its distinctive large sickle-shaped claw on each hind foot, which it likely used to slash at prey. Recent studies suggest that Velociraptor was an intelligent creature with evidence pointing toward pack hunting behavior, enhancing its effectiveness as a predator. Fossils found in Mongolia have contributed significantly to our understanding of its biology and behavior. Oviraptor is a genus of theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period, known for its unique features and complex behavioral implications. Initially believed to be an egg thief, due to its discovery near dinosaur nests, subsequent finds, including a skeleton found atop a clutch of oviraptor eggs, suggest it may have been caring for its young instead. This indicates parental care behaviors in some dinosaurs, challenging previous notions about their reproductive habits. Oviraptors were characterized by their beaked jaws and toothless mouths, suggesting a diet that might have included eggs or small animals. Ophthalmosaurus is a genus of ichthyosaur, a marine reptile that thrived during the Middle to late Jurassic periods. Notable for its large eyes, adaptations for deep-sea vision, Ophthalmosaurus could reach lengths of up to 4.5 meters. Its streamlined body and paddle-like limbs indicate it was well adapted for life in the ocean. Fossil evidence suggests that it primarily preyed on fish and cephalopods, utilizing its speed and agility to catch prey in the water. The discovery of well-preserved fossils has provided valuable information about the anatomy and ecology of ichthyosaurs. Gallimimus is another theropod that shares physical traits with modern birds, particularly in its long limbs and lightweight body structure. It is believed to have been a swift runner, likely utilizing its speed to evade predators. Gallimimus is thought to have had a varied diet, potentially including small vertebrates and plant material. Fossil evidence suggests that it inhabited regions of what is now Mongolia during the late Cretaceous. Quetzalcoatlus stands out as one of the largest flying animals ever known, with wingspans reaching up to 33 feet. Its wings were formed from a thin membrane stretched over elongated finger bones. This pterosaur likely soared across prehistoric skies, utilizing thermal updrafts for efficient travel. Its diet may have included fish and small terrestrial animals, making it a formidable predator in its ecosystem during the late Cretaceous. Supersaurus is recognized as one of the longest sauropods, with estimates suggesting lengths exceeding 100 feet. This massive dinosaur had an elongated neck that allowed it to reach high vegetation while grazing. Its sheer size not only made it a dominant herbivore, but also provided advantages against predators due to its formidable presence. Stegosaurus is known for its distinctive thick bony skull, which suggests it may have engaged in head-butting behaviors similar to modern-day mountain goats. This adaptation could indicate social interactions or territorial disputes among members of its species. The robustness of its skull would have allowed it to withstand significant force during such encounters. This dinosaur was part of the Pachycephalosauridae family and lived during the late Cretaceous period in what is now North America. Struthiomimus. Struthiomimus resembles an ostrich due to its long legs and slender body, which suggests it was a fast runner. However, unlike its modern counterpart, this dinosaur primarily fed on small animals and possibly eggs, utilizing its hands for grasping prey. Its adaptations indicate a versatile diet and an ecological role as both predator and scavenger during the late Cretaceous period. Seismosaurus. The Seismosaurus was an enormous sauropod known for its impressive size, reaching lengths of up to 130 feet. Its long tail could have served as a defensive weapon against predators or rivals. As a plant eater, it likely grazed on high vegetation, using its long neck to reach leaves that other herbivores could not access. This dinosaur exemplifies the extreme sizes that some sauropods achieved during the late Jurassic period. Segnosaurus. Segnosaurus was a unique theropod dinosaur characterized by its large size and herbivorous diet. It exhibited features suggesting it may have been adapted for a slower lifestyle, possibly using its robust limbs for browsing vegetation rather than speed. Fossils found in Mongolia indicate it lived during the late Cretaceous period and highlights the diversity of dietary adaptations among theropods. Tapejara. Tapejara was another prominent pterosaur from the early Cretaceous period, known for its strikingly large head crest, which could vary significantly among individuals. It had a wingspan of approximately 4 to 5 meters. The crests may have served social or mating functions, or helped with aerodynamic stability during flight. Tapejara's toothless beak indicates it likely had a diet consisting of fruits or soft vegetation rather than fish. Tapuxuara. Tapuxuara was a pterosaur from the early Cretaceous of Brazil, characterized by its long cranial crest that extended backward from the skull. It had a wingspan estimated at about 4 meters and was likely adapted for soaring flight. Tapuxuara's long jaws were filled with numerous small teeth, suggesting it may have fed on fish or other small prey. The unique crest structure could have been used for display purposes or thermoregulation. Troodon. Troodon is often considered one of the most intelligent dinosaurs due to its relatively large brain size compared to its body. This small theropod dinosaur, which lived during the late Cretaceous period, measured about 2 to 3 meters in length. It possessed a unique combination of features: large eyes indicating excellent vision, a beak-like snout with sharp teeth for an omnivorous diet, and long, slender limbs that suggest it was agile and possibly able to run quickly. Troodon's distinctive sickle-shaped claw on its second toe further points to its predatory lifestyle. The discovery of its fossils has provided insights into the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds. Dromaeosaurus. Dromaeosaurus was a fast-running ornithomid dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period in what is now North America. This bipedal dinosaur measured approximately 3 to 4 meters in length and had long legs adapted for speed, with a lightweight build that likely made it one of the fastest dinosaurs. Its anatomy included a long neck, small head with a beak-like mouth and large eyes suggesting good vision. Dromaeosaurus is believed to have been an omnivore or herbivore, feeding on plants and small animals. Photobosaurus. Photobosaurus is an enigmatic genus of plesiosaur from the late Cretaceous period discovered in Japan. Unlike the other entries listed here that are dinosaurs or pterosaurs, Photobosaurus had a long neck and 4 flippers characteristic of marine reptiles. It measured about 7 meters in length and is believed to have been a predatory creature that hunted fish and squid in ancient seas. Pteranodon. Pteranodon was a large pterosaur known for its impressive wingspan that could reach up to 7 meters across. Its wings were formed by a membrane of skin stretched between an elongated fourth finger and its body, which allowed for efficient flight. Weighing only around 15 to 25 kilograms, Pteranodon was relatively lightweight for its size. This pterosaur is notable for its distinctive cranial crest, which varied in shape and size among different species and may have played a role in sexual display or species recognition. Fossils suggest that Pteranodon primarily fed on fish, utilizing its long beak to catch prey while flying over water. Minmi. Minmi is known for its distinctive armor plating in small size, measuring about 3 meters in length. Its body was covered with bony plates and spikes that provided defense against predators. Unlike some larger ankylosaurs, Minmi's relatively lightweight frame suggests it was more agile, allowing it to navigate through vegetation effectively. Fossils indicate that it had a herbivorous diet, feeding on low-lying plants. Murenosaurus is characterized by its long neck, elongated body, and 4 paddle-like limbs that facilitated swimming in the ocean. It is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 4.5 meters. The skull was elongated with sharp teeth adapted for catching fish, indicating a carnivorous diet. Its body structure suggests it was well adapted to a fully aquatic lifestyle. Leolinosaura is estimated to have been about 1 meter long and had a beak-like mouth adapted for browsing on plants. It possessed large eyes, indicating that it may have been nocturnal or crepuscular, allowing it to forage during low-light conditions. Its lightweight build and long limbs suggest it was agile, possibly evading predators in its forested environment.